Okay, that beginning of the quarter we have to now understand. Okay, so first understand when the quarter begins. 1st April to 30th June, okay, is the first quarter. Quarter is of 3 months, so in a year 4 quarters. Second quarter from 1st July to 30th September. Third quarter 1st October to 31st December. Fourth quarter 1st January to 31st March. Now in the first case, what the question says, first case the question says if he withdraws rupees 60,000 in the beginning of each quarter. So when will be the beginning? First we have to calculate the average period. Okay, so beginning of each quarter means when the quarter begins from 1st April to 30th June. Beginning of each quarter is 1st April is the beginning of each quarter. How you are going to calculate the average period? The same formula, time period left after first drawing. So first drawing will be made by the partner 1st April. So time period left after first drawing will be 12 months plus time period left after last drawing. Last drawing, when he will make his last drawing? 1st January, because it is quarter. Okay, so last quarter starts from 1st Jan to 31st March. 1st Jan will be his last drawing made on quarterly basis. Time period left after last drawing means January, February, March, 3 months. 12 plus 3 divided by 2. Average period will be how much? 7.5. Now interest on drawing, if you have to calculate total amount withdrawn 60,000 for each quarter. There are 4 quarters in 1 year. 60,000 into 4, 2,40,000 into rate of interest 15% into time period how much? 7.5 by 12. If you solve it, you will get 15,000. It is clear to you, Amrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roshni, it is clear, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a moment. So what the question says now? I think it is mid of each quarter, right? Now we are going to calculate mid of each quarter. How we are going to calculate? First, always we have to calculate the time period, average time period. Second is if he withdraws rupees 60,000 in the middle of each quarter. Middle of each quarter. So what will be the middle of first quarter time period left after first drawing? So middle of his first drawing will be when he is making his first drawing. Can you tell me? Middle of each quarter means first quarter is from 1st April to 30th June. Okay, so middle of each quarter means, can you tell me?
May 15.
Yes, May 15th is the middle of first quarter. So time period left after first quarter, can you tell me? You have to calculate like that only. 15th, from 15th till 31st March. How much time period left it will come?
1.5 month.
1.5 month?
1.5 month.
How 1.5 month, dear? 15th of May till 31st March. How 1.5 month?
It's the 31st March. I thought till 30th June.
No, dear. Time period left after first drawing is our formula. Okay. So calculate and tell me.
11.5, ma'am.
Yes?
10.5.
Yes, 10.5.
11.
Yes?
10.5.
Plus time period left after last drawing. So when was the last drawing made by the partner in this question? If it is the second case, that is middle of quarter, middle of quarter in the last. So last quarter when it starts, 1st January to 31st March is the last quarter. Now middle of the last quarter when it will come? Feb 15th. Feb 15th is the middle of the last quarter. So time period left after last drawing will be from 15th Feb till 31st March. How much? How many time period will be left?
1.5.
That's it. So 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Average period will come 6. Understood? Now interest
Yes,
on
ma'am.
drawing, same formula, 60,000 for each quarter. There are 4 quarters, 60,000 into 4, 2,40,000 in 1 year. Multiplied by rate of interest given. How much rate of interest given in the question? 10%, 10 by 100. Into average period, just now we have calculated, right? 6 by 12. If you solve it, you will get 12,000. Any doubts so far, Amrita, Roshni? Any doubt you are having in these questions? Yes, Amrita,
No, ma'am.
Roshni. Roshni, it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now the third and the last case. If I withdraw 60,000 in the end of each quarter, now you have to tell me, Amrita, first you tell me. Average period first we will calculate, then apply the formula and solve it. It's very easy. You have to know the average period, that's all. So end of each quarter means when will be the first drawing? End of each quarter. What is the meaning of this? Can you tell me end of each quarter means? When the quarter ends. End of each quarter means?
30th June.
Yes. So
Last.
yes,
month ka
yes,
last
yes.
day.
So 30th June you are not going to calculate, right? So after 30th June, from July till March, how many months? Tell me.
10, ma'am.
10 months. It will come 10 months or 9 months. It will come 9 months, dear.
9 months, ma'am.
From 1st May till 31st, 9 months. Okay, because it is end of first quarter. Time period left after first drawing. Plus time period left after last drawing. Last drawing means when will be the last drawing? The quarter starts, the last quarter starts 1st Jan to 31st March. And the question says drawing is made end of every quarter. So can you tell me end of every quarter means when the quarter ends? 1st Jan to 31st March, when the quarter ends?
31st March.
Yes, so 31st March. Will there any interest be charged? So time period left after last drawing, how much time period is left after 31st March?
0.
Yes, because we are going to close book of accounts on 31st March. No time period left after last drawing. Last drawing was made on 31st March. So 0. Average period 9 plus 0 divided by 2. So 4.5. Just now you have to put the formula and solve it. You will get the question solved. So for any doubt, Amrita, Roshni, any doubt you are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Amrita, now your doubts are cleared? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Go through all these video recordings and your questions. Try to solve my PDF questions, these questions, book questions, everything. Okay?